I was thinking a bit about the leadership part, and you talk about business cases, the time you got, and then you have all these licenses and tokens.
Yeah.
And let's do it. And then I see the CFO, like a bit like, oh, that's nice, guys. Yeah, experiment. How did you tackle that, the investment part?
I think that currently the thing is just use it. And that's really the thing.
Is there any limit, or did you just said, okay, we're going to reserve this part, you guys go experiment, innovate, and see
what we see is if you take 100 people, then there's a very small group, 5 people, 5% who's probably burning their tokens on a huge scale.
Yeah.
There's probably also, they're working already very close with leadership, right? So those people, you probably are going to have, okay, you burned like €250 yesterday, right? For example. What are you doing with it, right? And the rest of the group is just start using it. Which model are you using? Why do you have it on standard, right? People put their, if you work, for example, on Cursor, some people say auto, right? We had a moment you say, okay, if you do simple tasks, you don't need to have the strongest model, because it's also the most expensive model. So we moved to auto, but then we learned later on with some developments that it's maybe better to use the strongest model, because it's maybe more expensive, but the code generated is better. Yeah. So really in this phase of let's just, I think especially in this phase, it's less about reducing costs, but more on understanding then where the costs are coming. But yeah.